Catherine, I'm live at the Fresno County Juvenile Court where the two 16-year-old suspects appeared for their detention hearings this afternoon. Now, a detention hearing is typically where the judge decides whether or not the suspects are going to be allowed to go home and live with their families throughout the hearings, or if they will have to remain in custody behind bars throughout that entire process. This all comes after 18-year-old Caleb Quick was shot and killed in a McDonald's parking lot back in April. Police arrested two suspects, a 16-year-old boy, whom they say was the shooter, and a 16-year-old girl, whom they accuse of being the getaway driver. The district attorney has charged both of them with murder, but the girls' defense team says they'll contest that charge.
There's nothing in the discovery that suggests that knew anything about a firearm. You know, he was her boyfriend, and he didn't have a car, so it wasn't unusual for him to be driven by her.
Now, each defendant is being represented by their own attorney, having their own hearings, but in both cases, the attorneys asked for continuances, delaying today's decision. The judge granted those requests, but said in the meantime, the defendants must remain in custody. We'll be back in court in June for each of their new detention hearings. Now, the judge also announced today that all of these hearings are going to be open to the public, and the judge is also not technically going to ban the media from releasing the suspects' names. That's because of the serious nature of this crime. However, we as a news station have determined right now not to release their names unless they end up being tried as adults. We'll continue bringing you updates from inside the courtroom throughout this process. Live at the Fresno County Juvenile Court, I'm Brianna Bias, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.